lock-versary. Ooh.
Told you I got you, right? What you be using to make your hair look all good like that?
Hi guys, it's Katya here. I am here to do my 1-year lock update. So I have been super AWOL. I'm sure you guys have noticed. But yeah, your girl moved to a new city. I am back in school full-time. I am either on campus, full day of classes, or I am studying, doing homework, working, or trying to get my clinical hours in. So yeah, hence the reason why I've been super AWOL and MIA, but I am back like I never left. And I am here to update you guys on the journey so far. We are in October and my lock anniversary, I installed my locks in September. So I am about a year and a month into my journey, and I just want to update you guys on what's been going on. I know I've said this in literally every video I've made before, but I absolutely love my hair. I think the more I go through this journey, the more I just realized how much I love my hair. I would say that throughout my whole entire natural hair journey, this is probably the first time that I've loved and been so comfortable with my hair in its natural state. As you guys can probably see, I've gained a bit of length. My hair is growing, and it's growing really well, even though I do such a terrible job taking care of it. It's growing and I'm really happy with that. I know I've said in other videos how I felt like my hair was kind of flat. It didn't have that much volume or thickness to it, but now I can say that my hair really has thickened and it feels a lot fuller than it did at the beginning. So if you are just starting your lock journey, if you're just starting sister locks, micro locks, traditional locks, whatever, and you don't feel like your hair is thick or it's full, trust me, just wait a little bit and you will get there, because I felt the same way. But yeah, I'm loving the thickness, I'm loving the fullness, so I'm happy with that. As far as my hair routine, what I've been doing, what has been working for me, I have been using a new shampoo. Well, new to you guys, not new to me. I've been using it for probably the last 5 to 6 months, and I absolutely love it. It is from the Suave Professionals line. It is this shampoo right here. I don't use the conditioner, I just use the shampoo. So what I do with this shampoo is I have this bottle with the applicator tip. I pour about 1/3 to half of the shampoo in there, usually just about 1/3, and then I fill the rest up with water, and I wash my hair that way. I use this, I just apply the shampoo to my scalp and I wash. For keeping my hair moisturized, I still use my handy dandy spray bottle. I just keep water in here. Sometimes I add oil. The oil that I've always used on my hair, I use it on my hair, I use it on my skin. It's sweet almond oil. So sometimes I will put a couple drops of the oil into my spray bottle and I use it that way. Or sometimes I will just I'll just put a couple drops in my hand, I rub it in. Sometimes I will just apply it to the ends of my hair like this, or just, you know, work it down, and it keeps my ends a little bit moisturized. The other thing that I've added into my hair routine is this spray. I normally use this after I am done shampooing my hair, and I shampoo my hair every week, and I'll just spray or just spritz this into my hair, and it smells great and it keeps my hair moisturized as well. So now that I am a year into my lock journey, would I say that things are going well? Absolutely. I would not change it or go back. I absolutely love my locks. I want to share my pros and cons with you guys of what I've learned or what I've noticed so far having had my locks for a year. Pros for me, and I've said this in previous videos, is how low maintenance my hair is. In my normal like day-to-day life, I don't wear my hair down. Actually, my hair is almost always up in a bun. It's just the easiest thing to do when I'm at school or I'm going to clinicals. I just throw my hair up in a bun. Hair products nowadays are so expensive, so the other pro for me would be cost. The only thing I spend money on would be shampoo. This is a brand new bottle, and honestly this could probably last me 6 months or more because I dilute it. I'm not washing my hair every day. I wash my hair once a week, and then of course I buy my oil and I buy my moisturizing spray. Those are the only things that I've spent money on as far as my hair, because I installed it myself, I maintain and upkeep it myself. The tool that I use to retighten my hair, I made it myself. So honestly, it has been very cost effective for me. That's a huge pro. The other thing I love is, I know some people can be weird about it, but I actually like the look of my hair after a fresh retightening. I love when my scalp is out and I can feel the breeze on my scalp. I actually really like that. I just finished retightening my hair 2 days ago. My grid is back and popping. The cons for me would have to be the amount of time that it takes to retighten my hair. I can retighten my hair in a day. It takes me a full day, but normally I spread it out. I'll do it like over 2 days. This time around, when I just finished retightening my hair, I had been so busy with school that I went 4 months without retightening my hair, and I will not recommend this because it took me about 4 days to get my whole head completed. It was a pain. My neck hurt, my back hurt, my arms, my fingers felt raw from retightening. So honestly, I have learned my lesson. That was very painful to do, like never again. The amount of time it takes to retighten, for me, it's kind of a pro and a con. It's a pro because I only do it like every 2 months, so it's really not that much. And when I think about it, when I was a loose natural and I was washing my hair like every other week or once or twice a month, it was a whole weekend process. Like I would have to set apart a weekend where I knew I could have Saturday and Sunday off for sure, so that I could dedicate that time to washing my hair. It was a whole weekend process, so I can't really complain about how long it takes to retighten my hair because I only do it like every 2 months. But still, when I'm just sitting there in the moment doing it, it just feels so long and so tedious. That's what I hate about it, is it feels really tedious. But at the same time, I would take that over going through the whole washing process for loose natural hair. That in itself was its own torture. So it's a pro and a con for me. The other con for me right now is being patient with my hair because I desperately need a trim. I can tell I have some split ends. Sometimes I just run my hand through my hair and I'll see like ends breaking off. So I desperately need a trim, but the bad part is that I can't trim my hair until my hair has fully locked and matured. And from the looks of it, some of my locks in the back they look like they're locking well, but for the majority of my head, I'm gonna just be waiting a while, probably like another year or 2, because it's really taking its sweet old time. Yeah, you guys, but that's really it. Everything has been going great. I love my hair. I love the fullness of it. I love the thickness of it. I love how well it's growing as far as length. I'm super happy and pleased with it. I get people stopping me when I'm out and about and asking me about my hair, like, what's going on with your hair? Is it braids? Is it twists? It's cute. I love it. Who did it? So I'm getting all these questions, and I'm getting all these compliments. So I honestly can't complain, and I wish I had done it sooner. That's the one thing I wish I had done it sooner, because it's so liberating and free. And like, I am a year in, my grid is still intact. Let's see what it's looking like.
Baby, you the queen of that move. I like it, I love it. The way you take care of you is so rare to cue. And I dig what you wearing too. Your skin so bare and smooth, it's unbearable. They come in white, they come in red, they come in yellow, black or brown. And I like them all natural, all natural. She do it right, she rock them braids for that protective style. And I like her all natural, all natural. Now let me see that natural hair do. Show me what that natural hair do. Show me. Now let me see that natural hair do. She got it. Show me what that natural hair do. She got that Moesha Brandy, that Lauryn Hill, that Janelle Monáe. It all is real. Expenses include extensions, guessing for that extra protection. And heaven has sent me a blessing whenever you step in my presence. So show me what it do. Show me what that natural hair do. Show me what it do. Girl, show me that natural hair do. The power's all there, boo. They hating cause they fear you. You went through a process for that beauty and they scared too. It shows me that you strong, girl. It shows me that you confident. You used to hate your hair, but then you snapped up out of it. I remember when you first cut it, you got some laughs out of it, but then you rubbed it and you loved it and turned that to positive. Baby, did I mention you the baddest? Baby, did I mention I'm an addict? All that weave in the perm, they can have it. I like it way better when I snap it. True. You look like you glowing everywhere you going. Where you going? Come here.
That's it for my 1 year update. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And I like 'em.